Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to upload short video on your YouTube in PC. So simply at first open your YouTube dashboard and follow the top corner showing a to create option. Just press on to create, press on upload video, and you just select your short video under 1 minute and select ratio. I'm already create a short video. Just select, press on pen, okay, and select title, if you want to add description, select playlist. But when you upload a short video using PC, you don't upload thumbnail. Select and enter tag, press on next, and finally click on next, and you just select private, unlist or public, and finally click on to save. Then successfully upload short video on your PC.